Hey guys, it's April. Welcome back to ECL, Everyday Choose Love. Today we're going to bring you guys along with us for a very fun DIY. This DIY has nothing to do with crafting, but everything to do with saving a girl from her sorrows. And that would be me, because I am hating on this hair color. I mean, mind you, my stylist, Eddie, did a great job on this box color, but this girl don't like this darkness anymore. So, with that being said, we have an experiment. It is a safe way to strip hair color out of your hair, or it's supposed to be. I might be seen tomorrow without any hair. It might be orange, yellow. Who knows? We'll see. But you take your vitamin C tablets and you crush them and you mix them with Head & Shoulders shampoo. Put it on your hair, wrap it up, put some saran wrap on it, let it heat up, and let it sit for about an hour, and then rinse it out and see what happens. So that is the fun that we have on tap tonight. What are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, so here we are in the kitchen, or at least here I am in the kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and take, my sous chef is in here too. He thinks there's something good gonna happen with food. Snickers, you wanna come say hello? Anyway, we have the vitamin C tablets and the shampoo and Snickers. See? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in my Bullet or Ninja, whatever I have, and I'm going to pulverize it into a powder. We're gonna mix it with this, make a little shampoo, and then I'll be back with my real assistant, Eddie.
Start your adventure with Gazelle tents. Setting up camp has never been this easy. Our T1 Overland edition features a new pretty-subtle web design, providing one of the quickest setups. Add to next camp in under 90 seconds. Quit stressing over complicated instructions or navigating a bunch of loose bars. Simply pop out wall mounts, pop out the roof well, and you're done. The Gazelle T4 Overland edition easily accommodates up to 4 people in a spacious and comfortable interior. At 78 inches tall, footprint 94 by 94 inches, less than 4 hours handle effort, and gives you over 61 square feet of usable space.
All right, guys. I have my handy assistant here, and we have the mixture made. We mixed the vitamin C and the Head & Shoulders shampoo. So he's going to put it on my hair, and then we're going to comb it through and saran wrap it. So here it goes.
Am I cutting hair too, or?
No. Say goodbye to the Michelle Duggar / Elvira look.
Oh.
Let's see what happens.
So I just put
Don't pour it.
I just put it on your hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would really saturate that bottom where it's really black too, but we gotta make sure we have enough.
I want to work from the weight.
Are you dipping my hair in the bowl? Oh my gosh.
Okay. I know how it feels, right? Oh.
So when you mix it, there's really no measurement. So when you mix it, I have, after I watched like about 10 videos, someone mentioned to have it kind of egg white consistency. So you want, is that what you would say? It's kind of egg white consistency? Yeah. Okay, let's just pull those back. So this is going to strip and lift the color. Now what it's going to lift to?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. Will it be, it'll probably be like Bozo the Clown Orange tomorrow, and then it's going to be so bad that I'm going to rush to a salon to help me. But this is just too dark for me, and I don't like it, and it doesn't make me happy.
Doesn't matter to me. I love you anyway.
And
You can be bald, and that would still bad you.
well, you like bald. I mean, I like bald on you, but
yeah, I get this like this here.
So we could have done a brush, but most people say it's just easier to just get in there with your hands and do it. You can get messy and get two hands going, it's fine. Good thing about this is it's no color, so you don't have to worry about it. I mean, it's messy, but you don't have to worry. I might help him.
No.
Well, no, I got my hands in it now. I want to be able to say I contributed besides, because I'm trying to get around the hairline. I feel like that's the hardest, is just getting around the hairline. But if all these YouTube people did it and their hair didn't fall out, then there should be hope for me. One of the girls has Hashimoto's hypothyroid like me, which that does affect hair color, in case you didn't know. I have a new eyebrow pencil. Do y'all like it? Do you notice? Mm-hmm. My other one bit the dust. That's another side effect of thyroid, is you lose your eyebrows, your eyelashes thin. It's a fun game. Fun game of life. Anybody remember? You remember that game, Life? Babe? The game?
Yep.
It had that little thing you spun, that little wheel you would spin. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I cheated in that. My mom wouldn't let me, but if I played with other people, I could be like really slick. But she was like, no cheating. She was never a parent that let her kids win. It was, you better learn how to beat an adult. Life skills, I tell you. Life skills. Okay, no, we gotta, oh no, we're gonna saturate. I mean, it needs to look like my hair is like Head and Shoulders blue, I guess. So some people use the hard tablets. I actually chose the chewable because I felt like they would mix faster. So we'll see how that goes. So after we get not all of it, but maybe most of it in, we're going to do a comb through with a wide tooth comb. And then we're going to make sure that every area, because if I do lift to Bozo the Clown, red or orange, whatever he is, then I don't want to have like spots, which
There's rocks in here or something.
the rocks are not rocks, they're vitamin C tablets. Okay, so this is not as easy to comb through. And Mr. Clean, could you move? You've been watching another sink, man. I'm trying to show the camera what to do. I'll need you in a minute for the saran wrap. So we're gonna go through, start at the bottom because it's thick. It's okay, I'll wash it. It's just shampoo and vitamin C, so. Did you hear me say I need you for saran wrap?
Yeah. Now?
In a minute. Like
Oh, yeah.
60 seconds. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I have it mixed up. So you're able to do this. We'll see how it lifts, and then you're able to do it again. So I might do it again in a couple days, or I might be at a salon. All right, guys, he's gonna saran wrap me. There's this cling wrap. So I've been told that this heats up. So there's a thermogenic effect.
Makes sense. Right, yours too.
Mm-hmm.
Man, did you hold that?
Mm-hmm. I watched the funniest video today. A girl, I'm guessing she was either in Scotland or Ireland or somewhere doing this by herself. And watching her saran wrap her head was probably one of the funniest things I've ever seen. I'll try to link her version of this. Look at that. Is this how J-Lo gets such a shiny, like a smooth forehead? I think they put saran wrap on their heads, guys. I think I'm onto something. What do you think? Look at that. I'm just going to start saran wrapping my whole face and body. Look at that.
Here.
All right, guys, 1 hour. We'll be back in 1 hour. Pray, pray. All right, guys, it's been an hour. I'm gonna rinse. I'm gonna use the shampoo again, and then I have a hair mask that I'm gonna put on. So another prayer, another prayer. Well, I have no idea yet what it's gonna be, but I can tell you this: if you get Head and Shoulders in your eyes, it will clear your sinuses up. So if you're struggling with a stuffy nose, just shampoo your eyeballs with Head and Shoulders. You'll be fixed. Well, I still have hair. It is still dark. However, there's a lot of auburn in it. So, and gold. I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like it's less dark. Trying to see if you can see all the different colors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole process again in about 3 or 4 days. I'm going to add heat to it as well and see how that does. But yeah, I definitely see a difference. It's not so harsh. Can you see it? What do you think? You guys see it? See the difference? It's more like dark brown with auburn and gold and silver highlights. What do you think?